408 small block Chevrolet. Just got done running and everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our cylinder heads on it. It's got an Edelbrock air gap, quick fuel SS 750, MSD Pro Billet, custom pistons. It's got the March serpentine belt set up. We'll make sure your alternator works for you and everything. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,500, 471 foot-pounds. Look like a peak torque 509. Look how many 500s it stacks. These are just awesome torque monsters. Small block Chevrolet, great runners. Burn the tires right up. And we rated it at 470. It runs 479 with a front end on it, which is about 15 horsepower. So that's kind of the new cylinder head on it. So everything runs good. Get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.